Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Douglas Road Elementary School in Lambertville, Michigan. My first time here physically. I got to visit the students virtually last school year. And I'm standing in their school lobby, kind of by the entranceway. It says, "Believe there is good in the world." And today's assembly, talking about leadership, having a passion, our fire, turn that into our purpose for this world, really kind of hit on this point exactly, because the biggest question we have to ask ourselves is, what are we doing for others, right? Not just about ourselves, but like the story of the starfish, that everything we do, even the smallest of actions, one little action can make a huge, huge difference. And so the students really kind of got that message today. They really took that home to put people first, things second, and to really just make this realization that even at a young age, we can start thinking about what it is truly that makes us come alive. This world needs more people that have come alive. And what brings that fire in our heart, like that inspiration, like the shirt that I wear has the heart with the peace sign, right? Because that's where our passion starts. And to already start getting the wheels turning and thinking about what it is that we want to do, on this earth, to leave a mark, leave a positive mark. That's what this was all about. And the reason that there's different colors is because obviously, there's different kinds of leaders. We can be quiet leaders, we can be loud leaders, we can lead by example, by our actions. There's no wrong way to lead. It's just that we want to be leaders, right? We talked about doing things because it's the right thing to do, not just doing it for a trophy or for the money or for an award, right? Do it because it's heavy on our hearts. We also talked about being like a bowling ball, not a balloon. We talked about someone that's like a bowling ball, stands for something, has principles, is strong, has that foundation. The balloon just kind of follows other people, even if they're not doing the right thing. We talked about doing the right thing even when no one's watching, even when no one's looking, right? That we know we're still choosing to do right. And we also focused on our legacy. What do you want to be remembered for? Hopefully like someone's helping hands. Speaking of hands, we also always, in all my assemblies, we talk about this concept that we all have the letter M etched on our palms, right? With the lines of our hand. I traced one of mine here, but we have at least one in each hand. Sometimes a faint line connects it, but we all have the letter M. That M stands for miracle. Upside down W for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. But we have to truly believe this, right? And then go help others that maybe don't see that or don't believe that or maybe forgot that, never been told that. Be that light to their heart. We talked about being like a shining star. In our first hand motion rap, in the last rap too, we really tried to focus on just shining our worth, shining our value, shining who we are as leaders for this planet. And if we can do that, then we're doing our job, right? We're looking to become better humans and help other people out around us, not just always thinking about ourselves, but thinking about others and their needs and making, them, proud of us, happy, and really trying to, inspire them to be better leaders themselves. That's what this is all about. Not bragging about it, saying, hey, look at me, but really, truly focusing on our own abilities, our own gifts, which are probably our passions, and then eventually turning that into our purpose. You guys are beautiful. Never forget that. I love the boards all around school here. It says right here, Douglas Road is out of this world. But again, it's focusing on what do we really want to be for this world, right? Be those positive leaders, making a difference, even at a young age. Thank you again for touching my heart. Have a great rest of the school year. Hope to see you all again in the future. Until then, though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist for some additional motivation, and feel free to hit the peace sign symbol on your screen tablet wherever you're watching this video to visit my website and track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.